Welcome back. Government is rethinking on the provision of no detention till 8th standard and the contentious comprehensive evaluation system. The Central Advisory Board of Education has constituted a committee to revisit the no detention provision up to class 8th under the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009.
Though the continuous comprehensive evaluation system is in force, there was no clarity on the methodology of implementation of the no detention provision and the system to be adopted to assess the students. Many states had in the past pointed out that promoting students to the next class was adversely impacting their performance and the results of the schools were falling drastically. Some even suggested reverting to the old system of annual examinations. The committee consists of 4 education ministers. The committee will hold a meeting on 9th October. The no detention policy for children up to class 8th is being implemented under continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Under the policy, students are not detained in any class irrespective of their academic performance. The policy, if revisited, will definitely have an impact on the education system in Goa, as Goa has CCE in force for past couple of years. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Cheating has altogether attained a different level. A lady in Ponda has duped females for over lakhs of rupees. This lady, Sharmila Naik, asked for a gold jewellery from a few ladies in Betoda at Ponda and in turn took a gold loan. Sharmila is arrested and has been given 3 days of police remand. Ponda police are investigating the case.
Few ladies from Betoda and Ponda marched the police station on Friday complaining that they were cheated by a lady, Sharmila Naik. They claimed that Sharmila, with a goodwill, took gold jewellery from them and never returned. Her husband has produced some of the slips of gold loan. It shows that Sharmila has taken gold loan against their jewellery.
Sharmila Satish Naik, पहिले माझ्याकडे त्यांनी 10,000 वेले 10,000 वेले ते पहिले हाडून दिले मागीर थोडे थोडे करून परत आनी एक 10,000 वेले तेही हाडून दिले त्यांनी थोडे थोडे करून मागीर परत आनी एक फाटले वेले त्यांनी मागेले आणि मागीर तुका हाडून दिवूत ना न्ही तेणी म्हाका आतां पहिले चवथीक आतां परत
आपले काकणाने नेकलेस वेल्या तेणी कितें सांगलें आपल्याक बड्डे घालून वचूंक जाय तेणी एक दीस तुगे दी हाडून दिता दुसर फोन केला ते म्हणाले आपण चवथी हाडून दिता आपले घरा कडेन हाड ते तळयां रावता घरा कडेन आमी शेजारी हाडून दिता ते तळयान तेजे घरा कडेन गेल्या ती तेंची घरची सांगूंक लागली ते घरा कडेन ना तो सांगपाक लागलो बायलेन अशें केल्या बँके व्हरोन ती सगळी लोन काडला तेजेर तेन्ना तेणी ती चिटी दिली आमकां कितें म्हणा ते तुमच्यान जाता जाल्यार ती तुमचे भांगर सोडून हाडा म्हणून.
Now Ponda police are investigating the case.
एक बायल मनीस श्रीमती शर्मिला नायक हांचेर 2 गुन्हे रजिस्टर केल्या. हांचे सिमिलर मोडस ऑपरेंडीन ह्या बायलेन लोकांचे भांगर घेवप आनी ते परस्पर बँकेन घालप आनी 5 मिनटान लोन मेळटा त्या बँकेन ते लोन ताणें घेवन लोकांक चीट केलें.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Kalangut police busted 2 sex rackets on Friday. Total 3 accused are arrested and 5 girls are rescued. Kalangut police have filed a total of 11 such prostitution cases till now.
We have found soliciting customers in an open public place. We sent decoy customers and caught them red-handed near Cave Coffee Day, Baga. We took them into custody and both these girls are lodged in protective premises after being produced before STM Mapsa. In another case, booked late night yesterday, 3 accused persons, namely Fatima Khan, Murtaza Sheikh and Mohammad Firoj, all native of Mumbai, were taken into custody for procuring 3 girls, all from Mumbai, for the purpose of prostitution. All the 3 accused persons along with 2 customers were caught during the said raid.
A reporter from Kalangut, Sham Sundar Fatte.
News from sports after we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.